What's up, guys? So today we are going to be doing another video. This camera is going to be, more lighting. This camera is going to be set up right there. Right here. Move. The camera is going to be set up right here. We're going to be doing a loud noise prank on my mom. Yeah, so that's the noise. And, okay, yeah, that's the noise that we're gonna be pranking my mom with. It's gonna be lit. Alright? You guys are lucky I'm recording this because I was about to not, and then I just thought of it. I was like, hold on. Whoa. That's lit. Alright, let's get right into the prank. What's that noise?
What is it?
I don't know.
Guys, please don't do this to me.
What?
Okay, fine. Fine.
Shut up! You messed it up. Oh. It was a fail. I'll still use this video for clickbait though.